Hello, my friends. Uh, Good morning. My name is Mukesh. In this video, we are gonna see that when offer can be redrafted at the multiple stages of the offer. So it would give you the insight of the offer that when can we redraft the offer for the candidate and when can we edit the offer. So lots of the things it happens in the SCM world that when they're extending an offer to the candidate, when at what moment they can redraft it, and at what moment if they have to edit anything or if they have to change the start date or any other field in the offer. So that becomes the uh, huge problem for the recruiter, whoever creates an offer, and even for the admin or the consultant who is supporting the recruiting application. So I'm gonna just take you there. I'll go to a hiring, and in job offer I have staged multiple requisitions here at multiple stages in the offer. So I can show you at which stage. Like this is a offer at the draft stage. So at this moment you can definitely you can edit this offer. So you can get these options: edit offer and preview offer as well. So you're getting this option. And if I'll go to next one, like yeah, here I'll go approved. If offer is approved, then what can be done? So here if I'll go to action, you can still redraft an offer before extending. Just make sure, if you are redrafting this offer, we're about to redraft the offer. So if I'll go here, so as you can see, for this one we are redrafting this offer and editing this one. Okay, just I want to show you one thing, that what will be happening once you click on continue and selecting this one. You will have to submit this offer again, and if you have enabled the approval process for offer, so it will re-trigger. So make sure you are aware of it. And I'll go back to the another one. So extended one now. If offer has been extended, can we redraft this offer? No, we cannot redraft this offer. It has to be rejected by candidate first, then we can redraft an offer. Or there is no option, it will be given at this stage, at this time. Okay. So, but you can accept this offer. There is another way I can show you. We can accept this offer on behalf of the candidate. It's taking time. Offer is a big thing for everyone. So that's why so many financial stuff in the offer letter, right? We feel very happy when we receive an offer from any organization, right? Oh my god, it's taking time. Just bear with me. Come on, come on. Oh, still it's loading, loading. Come on, come on. We have accepted this offer. It's taking time. Sometimes it takes, when we are moving the candidates to HR or accepting an offer, it takes time. Yeah, finally, it showed up. So offer has been accepted. Now we'll see what options we have it. Now at this stage, we can redraft this offer. So I hope everybody is getting this one, right? But again, when you will redraft this offer, you will submit it and you will extend it to the candidate. Then you have to make sure you have spoken to candidates first. Okay, so he should not be getting confused. Now I'll give you the, we have discussed till the extended, and yeah, accepted also I have shown you when it can be redrafted, so it is the same thing, right? I hope this video is having a so many knowledge related to offer, and hope you are gonna like it. If you have any queries, please comment on the video, and I'll try my best to respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.